Hello guys, I hope you're well. In this video, I'll teach you some everyday vocabulary you can use when talking about skincare and removing your makeup. Simple and practical. Okay, so first I need to remove my makeup and then I'll start my skincare routine. Let's get started. When we say remove your makeup, we mean cleaning your face to get rid of all the makeup. To start, I'm putting on my headband and then I use micellar water to remove my makeup. Putting on a headband means putting a band around your head to keep your hair back. For the first step, I gently remove my false lashes. To remove false lashes means to take off the fake eyelashes from your eyes. Using a cotton pad and micellar water, I'm going to remove my makeup. You should use micellar water to remove your makeup thoroughly so no residue is left on your skin. No residue is left on your skin means your skin is clean and nothing remains on it. I just washed my face and now I'm going to move on to the next product. This is my favorite toner ever. I use it all the time and it always makes my skin feel so fresh and smooth. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of it into the palm of my hand.
Pour a little bit of it into the palm of your hand means to put a small amount into your hand.
Now we gently press it into the skin so it can absorb.
In the final step, I apply my moisturizer, a hydrating cream suitable for my skin.
You should gently massage the moisturizer into your skin and make sure it spreads evenly. Well, I've now completed my full skincare routine. Thank you so much for staying with me until this point in the video. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.